Right, in this video, I'm going to show you why, for affiliate marketing in 2026 and beyond, making YouTube videos like the style that I'm making right now is so effective with proof. This is for affiliate marketing. A lot of people think, oh, I'll just write a bunch of articles or get AI to do it. I've tried that. It doesn't work as well. This is by far better, and I'll show you how to do that and why. But first, I was for years and still am promoting Beehive for not for affiliate marketing, for email marketing. So I'm just going to show you a few things that I've done and how this works, right? So if you do a quick Google search, email marketing for creators, which I searched, see, now you're going to get an AI overview that tells you stuff. So even if you wrote one of the articles, that shows up in the AI overview. Now, this is one of my articles here, Medium, okay? And that is me, the author. So I clicked on that. Here are the stats. So I'm still getting views. I wrote this over a year ago from Google, 107 views. And those are all targeted views. I'm making money from that link. But look at this. I would have had many more views if it wasn't for, see, they're even quoting me. That's my name, Andrew Best, right there. That's where they're getting this AI overview, but they don't put the affiliate link there. So they used to do that before all this AI stuff, but now video is getting better for that. So this is one thing they're taking away. Now, another thing, just quickly, if you search like best email marketing software, what you get first, you get a sponsored result, so you won't make any money there. Then you get an AI overview, so you wouldn't make any money there. And then you're looking at all these type of things. Now, these don't read well. First of all, it's hard to get in here, but they look like it'll put a human author here. But then if you scroll down, and these are all affiliate links, this would take forever to write. I'm sure most of it's done with AI, and it takes a long time to build up sites like these. But now I'm going to show you what I've been doing that is working. I just picked one example, and I'm going to show this. Okay, so watch what I did here. Beehive review, my first 100 days with Beehive, shocking results. So I'm just going to play this video that I made 2 years ago. I am so excited to do this review of Beehive. I've been wanting to do it for the past few weeks and just been putting it off because we've been using this for now I'm using Podsplice, which is my own software. It's way better to make this. You can hear the audio is better now than it used to be in this. I believe I was using Canva's screen recorder here before we made Podsplice. That's why the audio is coming in poorly there. It's just a much worse quality recorder. I love Canva for a lot of things. We actually have an app that goes with Podsplice, so you can get the best of both worlds. But anyway, what I did, 16-minute video. I'll just show you. Even I got 16 likes, which is quite a few on just like a review. So it's not like a super exciting video, but I just go and show how I use the software, what I get out of it. Here's me in the Beehive thing. And then you like using the software. So you can show your face, you show how you're using it, you show the results that you're getting. I was showing the money I was making on ads. So you're just clicking around, recording your screen, showing your face. You don't always have to show your face, like I'm doing it right now, but you can do faceless. And then when you go write the description, you tell people to click on the description, and there would be the affiliate link right in there. Sometimes you can give a discount. And then I should have done this. I forgot to do it then, but it's good to put your affiliate link right in the first comment as well. And then you can pin your own comment. Then what I do, and I'll show you this in the next video/article, is I take this video and then I put it into the body of an article, and I use the transcript from the video to help make an article. Then you get the best of both worlds. Okay, so how do I record this? You just use Podsplice to screen record, and you make sure you're clicking on the system audio, which is just one button to click, just to make sure that you're getting the sound if you're going to be doing, if there's any sounds coming from their computer other than your microphone. So like if I click here, is paying you just on advertising. So you can hear my voice from the video. That's the system audio. A lot of screen recorders don't have that, or they do it poorly. And you just go through the software. Like, so in this case, it's a review. So I'm like, I showed my results, but I could say how to use this feature of Beehive or whatever you're promoting. And then you show like a show and tell how to do it. and then you put your link in the first comment, pin it, and then in the description. Okay. And these show up great. See, look at this. You can see like Beehive and Substack. So I didn't search this, but this is just showing up in these kind of things are showing up because I searched it right now for my old video. Then you get these other recommendations. Here's more Beehive, Beehive, Beehive. So like my video that I made shows up for other people in this sidebar. So I don't have to worry that much about search engine optimization or anything, because there's a way that YouTube can just feed your video into people who are clearly interested in that type of thing in these suggested videos. So you get the option of Google search, YouTube search, on the YouTube homepage, suggested videos, and it just kind of shows up. And it's so much more authentic because you can see, like, I'm a real person, obviously. So you're not using AI to slop it out. And I can show, oh, this is how I do this. This is where I click here. This is what I like about this. Right. And you're just going around. Actually, if I'm doing full screen, I'd probably click here. If, you're just clicking around, showing what you like about something, what you don't like about something. Oh, look at this. Here it is. Here's my wallet over here. Here's how much I earned from this. I sent this type of email. Here's what I like about it. I've used other things, blah, blah, blah. It doesn't matter what you're promoting. You just screen record your face, your voice on separate tracks. There are different screen recorders to do this. I'm telling you, because we built this, it's way better and easier to use Podsplice to do this. But you can try other ways if you want. But that is like why video is so good. It shows up, it's easy to make, it's authentic. You can't really AI slop it. And if you tried to, other people can tell. Like, honestly, now when you're writing boring articles like comparing softwares, it's hard to tell if a human wrote it or an AI wrote it for a human reader. And there's just so much competition, so much like garbage coming out that just floods the internet. That's very difficult to only rely on that. But if you can rely on, I'll make a few videos just showing how I use it. Here's my favorite thing. Look how I did this. Look what I made. Give the visual show and tell. You get a lot more people clicking on your affiliate link. And they don't even care. If they like it, they'll be like, okay, I'll click on that link, even though you get a commission. It doesn't make the price higher for the person clicking. It just means the company promoting it, has to give up their cut. And anyway, I find that works really well. So highly recommend trying it. Try out Podsplice to do it. But yeah, I think you'll really benefit from that and actually start to get sales. And don't make one video and then quit. Make like 30 videos. These are not hard to make. You just show what you're doing. You speak off the cuff. If you don't want to show your face, don't. I'll show you in another video how to go faceless. And just get ChatGPT if you want to help you think about 20, 30 different video titles, and just leave them out there. I'm still getting sales from these things. I made them 2 years ago. All right, that's it for that. Hope you liked it. We'll see you in the next one.